Ito kami sa Ski Martok.
Homework! So we're going to stop mode. This is what we're doing. See how I'm tilting my skis?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Welcome to Martok. Hi guys, we're here in Ski Martok, Nova Scotia. We just arrived. It's a beautiful sunny day today. Here's my friend Sean.
Dude, I'm changing.
Perfect. I'll see you guys the view there where the people ski and now slide and having lift. Hi guys, nakita niyan dito kami sa Martok Ski. Guys, welcome to Martok. Please read before entering. Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Martok. First time namin mag-ski. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Magla-lesson muna. Ski lesson before the action itself. Kumusta na kayo? Excited na?
Yes!
Ikaw bro?
Excited.
Nasaan na yung binili natin sa Decathlon?
Ay putang ina, tingnan mo bro. Di tinanggal. Bring a knife or a cutter.
They didn't remove the... Oh, Sean brought a Swiss knife.
This one didn't break here. It's a very little look.
Good, the other one. There's like a bottom to it. Here. May tag price pa guys, kaya tumutunog. Hindi tinanggal nung ano, nung... Always stealing.
Maybe the other side.
Careful, it might rip that plastic.
Fucking too hard.
Okay na. Success.
Success, brother.
Pasok tayo sa loob. Yan. Ski rentals, ticket, kiosk, washroom. Guys, nakita niyo mga prices. Ayan. All in Canadian dollars. kami sa labas, guys. Dami nag-ski, guys, oh. Hey guys, andito na kami. Magpapa-register muna. Magle-lesson muna. Wala tayong mga baon. Beer. Ayan guys, so makakuha na ng boots.
Probably just take another one.
7.5. Thank you. So our equipment, guys.
Ali, ask us no.
Success, guys, nakabit na natin. Success. Medyo masikip siya. Sila, nagsukat sila. Tayo, guys. Ready na.
Come back in, we'll get you a different size.
Lesson muna tayo, guys. Kari, okay ka lang? Mabigat? Tatawa ka?
Sobra! Teka lang.
We're walking right now, guys.
You'll be natural. You're gonna teach him how to ski. It's gonna be awesome.
Lean like that. You have to reset that in order to put your boot back in. So when you're putting your boot in, you just basically put your toe in, level it off, line up your heel, line it up, and then push down like that. To get out of it, you push down on that so you can get out of it. But it always has to be in this position in order to put your boot in. If it's like this, you can try to jam it in there, but it really doesn't work. So this is the set position to get in. Everybody good with that? Mm-hmm. Okay, no questions? Okay. So, what we're going to do right now, we've only got an hour. How's that feel? That's what it's going to feel like. This is pretty good snow today. It's not too fast, not too slow. It's a good texture, so you just practice like that. If you got to fall on your side, like Don't sit on them, because then once you're going, if your skis get crossed over and one goes on top, this ski now is telling me to go that way. So what you gotta do, you gotta pull this one back. Whenever ski's on top, pull that back. Because if this ski's on top, this ski has no control, and this one's telling you what to do, and it's gonna go that way. Any questions about that? No? Okay. So when we're going to stop mode, this is what we're doing. See how I'm tilting my skis? Got my knees together? That's what I'm doing all the time when I'm going downhill. So first you gotta get moving and then I'll go. I want you to practice that. Yeah, side step, just like that. So you turn your skis.
Side step, guys.
Wait.
Ay,
Ay, ma.
nag-aaral kami ng Ski 101. Ay, mga kasama ko.
Two. Change lang ako siya.
Well, sounds like you're having fun. I think.
Oh my God.
Side step.
Okay. Let everybody follow up. You know, people get in a panic. They, ah! Yeah, that's okay.
People fall.
Better to fall here than anywhere else. This is the little hill.
Good job.
That's all you need. Take your knees.
Oh, Cha, ingat!
And your balance went backwards.
Yeah.
And your weight shifted backwards. Yeah.
Mahirap siya, guys. Kanina halos madulas din ako eh.
Okay. You might have to take them off.
Yeah, but I
Don't take off. That's all right. I always do a demo so everybody can see. I mean, well, he does that pretty easy. But
Yeah, but it's really hard.
the first time I go, here's what I want.
I think it's straight.
Make sure you got your helmet on. How are you doing? Well, if you get doing this 8 hours a day all day, then you really get tired. It's a good workout. Good cardio. Good leg work. Same with it. Light with it. Back it up. Yeah, you just going down the hill.
Madalisan ako.
Aral kami mag-ski, mag-slide. Medyo mahirap siya.
Kaya, wait, wait, wait.
It's hard.
My God, my God. Can I push you? I'm supposed to move here, but I can't.
That's the running hill, yeah. So the magic carpet goes up, the skiers are on this side, the snowboarders are on that side. Any other questions? It's hard!
Hey guys, nakatapos pa lang ng aming practice. Medyo mahirap talaga yung yung pag-slide and stop. Ito pang mga professional na, tsaka yung doon, yung mga sasakay ng lift. Kami siguro hanggang Bunny Hill lang yung maliliit. Pero ewan namin, baka dito lang kami. It's hard siya. Siguro pag more practice. But it's a nice day today. Kayo mga kasama ko. Okay lang kayo? Anong nangyari? Bro, okay ka lang? Nag-i-slide. Ang gagaling yung mga nag-i-slide dyan eh. Galing guys, oh. Professionals.
Munong lagi na siya. Munong na lagi na siya. Ilang, padaus-us lang.
Go Rio! Go Rio!
Munong lagi na siya.
Hi ka naman! Galing!
Go Mark!
Ito yung Bunny Hill guys. Meron sila parang escalator doon. No? Umaakit sila. They're pulling upwards and then they're gonna slide. Guys, dito sila sumasakay oh. These are the one they're gonna pulling up. Oh.
Yeah, Maggie's getting a rental stuff, but I was like, no, I'm gonna wait. I'm like,
Yan sila umaakyat guys, tapos mag-i-slide dun sa taas pag ganun.
Sorry, go ahead.
Wow. Yan na si Jake guys. Mahirap kasi talaga siya.
there you go. Go, go, go.
Oh. Tama yan.
Doing a great job. We're proud of you, son. Everyone. Sean, are you having fun? tali diri sa sa imong kuan para di siya matanggal.
Did I say you have permission?
No.
Delete it.
It's Mark's anyway.
Where's Mark?
Ow!
Ay, sorry.
Is Mark here?
It's Mark.
Close. Close it. It's okay, Mark. Oh, look at them. They're so nice. You see? Everyone will be there to help you, so don't need to be scared.
I don't think so.
Guys, I did my best pero nadapa eh. Kagutom siya mag-ski. Diba guys? Oh, ano masabi nyo? First timers?
Wala.
Wala masabi?
Walang masabi.
Masaya ba kayo? Winter 2025?
Cute na ko dira, Ang cute niya daw, Mark, sabi niya.
Dito kami ngayon guys sa Ski Martok. Ito yung kainan nila sa loob. Thank you. Guys, the afternoon evening. Time to return. We're gonna return the equipment.
Ha?
Kailangan na.
Tara, oh. Ay, uli ko doon. Ayun, super ba?
Saan ba yun?
Ati na sa buwan ako.
Ate na lang. Yung pero. Oh, ito.